Immerse yourself in the stellar world of waste management with DumpStars Indiana LLC, your distinguished source for cutting-edge roll-off dumpster rentals in Kokomo, Indiana. Why choose DumpStars Indiana LLC? Elevate your waste disposal game with our exclusive roll-off dumpster rental services in Kokomo, Indiana. We redefine the landscape by offering a fleet of roll-off dumpsters, each meticulously crafted to meet the unique demands of diverse projects. Whether overseeing a home renovation, managing construction debris, or organizing a community cleanup, our services are tailored to ensure your waste management needs are met and surpassed. At DumpStars Indiana LLC, we transcend the ordinary, providing an online platform where you can effortlessly peruse our array of roll-off dumpster options. Our commitment extends beyond the dumpster. It's a commitment to transforming waste management into a streamlined, efficient, and enjoyable experience. Experience the zenith of efficiency and reliability by connecting with us at 765-419-7884, where top-notch waste disposal aligns seamlessly with unrivaled service. Embark on a waste management odyssey by navigating our dynamic website at www.dumpstarsindiana.com. Join us at DumpStars Indiana LLC, where waste disposal becomes a seamlessly orchestrated operation, and your satisfaction is our unwavering mission.